Hi, this is Arunachalam. Today let us analyze the stock Dynamic Products Limited. This is a good stock with a good company, and the stock has a good financials because the management is good. So everything is good in the stock and the volumes are good in technicals. So it's a good stock to go along. And now let's move to the technical part. So this is the monthly chart of Dynamic Products. The stock at the listing got a good hype and rise to the price range of 203 from the price range of 121, which is almost double the money. And after it reached the price range of 230, it started falling after a small distribution zone. So this can be taken as a distribution. Look, the price or just like that moved below the price range of 200, even it rose to the price range of 230. So this can be taken as a weakness for the stock, and the stock fell drastically to the price range of 100, which is below the price of listing. And somehow stock managed to bottom out here, and the stock started moving higher, but it haven't crossed even the demand zone of the previous distribution zone. So the stock shown weakness here, and it's a COVID fall. After a COVID fall, the stock placed at the same price range of 100 which formed before, and the stock started rising from the COVID hit, and the stock also broke the previous distribution zone's resistance and took a accumulation zone just above the supply zone formed on 2018, and the stock was quite bullish from the beginning itself, and the stock took a accumulation here. Once the accumulation was broken on January, the stock started flying to higher highs, and now the stock is showing some weakness, but it's good to go long because the stock started moving higher in the short term basis. So now let's move to the weekly chart to analyze the chart further. Stock after a good accumulation zone, it started moving higher. Now let me draw the resistance of the accumulation zone. So this can be considered as the major accumulation zone after bottoming out, and now the stock is in the same pattern, but the stock is quite bullish because look at the range here. The price almost rejected at a very low prices, so it's a good demand zone right now, and the supply is also very huge. Look at the wick here. So the stock should cross the price range of 540 or 550 range to take a new entry, but one can use this small range for small swing trades. Now let me draw the major supply zone for the stock. So this can be taken as a resistance for the stock, and this resistance should be broken to take a long positions, and the long position will give a fantastic return of pole of the flag. So this can be taken as a flag pattern, and this is the pole of the flag. So one can expect the price range of 760 as the target if the stock broke the pole resistance area. So now one can take entry at the current market price and take the target of 540. Take 540 as the price target for the stock. So let's move to the daily chart to analyze the price entry and exits. Before moving to the daily chart, make sure you subscribe to our channel and hit the like if you like the video, and join us on Telegram using the link given below in the description. So this is the daily chart, and the daily chart shows a good bullish sign because look at the wick here. It's a huge wick, right? So it's a sign of bullishness, and look at the wick here. It's also a huge bullish sign for the stock, and one can expect a target of 540, and the entry should be taken only above the price range of 490 or 495 can be taken as the entry in the stock, and one can expect the price range of 540 as a target. One can expect almost a 10% upside in the stock. And remember, one should not be greedy on taking trades because greediness is injurious to wealth. and one should take entry only above the price range of 490 or 495, and one can expect the target of 540 within a couple of weeks. So that's all for today, and thank you for watching our videos.